Growing your company means helping your SMB clients grow. To them, that means getting new customers and keeping them. Today's customers expect instant responses and great service at every step. That's tough for most businesses when they're already busy just running their business. Missed calls, slow replies, and generic responses don't just lose leads. They damage reputations, waste money, and send customers to competitors. That's where Computer Affairs AI Workforce steps in, helping deliver top-notch customer experiences at one, some, or all locations of a business. No matter how a customer reaches out, Computer Affairs AI Receptionist is ready to make a great first impression and capture the lead. Let's hear a call now.
Hi there. Thanks for calling Mr. Handy Helper. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to get a deck built in my backyard. Is this something you do?
Absolutely. Would you like to book an appointment for a free estimate?
Sure. How soon can you come?
Before we check availability, can I get your name and the best phone number or email to reach you?
For sure. Lucia Fernandez, and my phone number is 555-678-9800.
Whether answering detailed questions or scheduling an appointment, the AI receptionist handles it like a smart, seasoned employee. It works great out of the box with one automatic web scrape that learns almost everything about a business. With just a few clicks, it can be customized to fit any business perfectly. Calls, texts, emails, web chat, forms, and social messages all funnel into inbox, keeping everything organized in one place. If any of those leads need nurturing, an AI salesperson is ready to step in and close the deal or multiple deals at once. Opportunities are automatically created and updated as deals progress. This is easy pipeline management for your clients and undeniable proof of performance for your company. The AI workforce is integrated with Computer Affairs CRM, keeping records up to date and enabling powerful automations. No lost details, no manual entry. From nurturing leads, to booking appointments, to requesting reviews, the entire customer journey is recorded, ready to customize and ready to automate. You can automate even more for your clients by connecting the tools or apps your clients are already using. When your clients take action, their AI employees will know what to do. For example, after a customer has made a payment, the AI review specialist can send an NPS survey. Happy customers will be encouraged to leave a public review while the negative feedback is dealt with privately. And that first purchase? It's just the beginning. Computer Affairs AI Workforce helps SMBs turn leads into repeat customers. If a customer's car is due for an oil change, Fido's nails are getting long, or there happens to be a promotion going on, an AI employee is ready to reach out. Whether in bulk or one-to-one, AI employees ensure communication is not only relevant but personalized. The right content is sent to the right contact at the right time at scale. They can also generate timely social media posts that drive awareness and attract customers. And they help your clients get discovered by suggesting the best keywords to boost local search visibility, bringing in more qualified leads without extra manual effort. Wherever the leads come from, and whether they get 10 leads or 10,000, an AI employee is ready to respond to each and every one and restart the customer journey cycle. Everything is captured in one place. And for your clients always on the go, all of this goes with them on their phone, keeping them informed and able to jump in anytime they're needed. No more missed calls, lost opportunities, or one-size-fits-all customer experiences, with a little help from their all-star AI employees. And for your company, a growing list of successful lifelong clients. Get more customers and keep them with Computer Affairs AI Workforce.